Hello all. If you want to make your career in cyber security, otherwise ethical hacking, you can plan your career accordingly. Nowadays, if we'll talk about the combination, so CEH Certified Ethical Hacker plus CCNA, that is the excellent combination as per as the real industry. So will be good if you can go with the combination. Like after that, you can plan your job as a cybersecurity engineer, as a security analyst, as a security advisor. But you must have the CCNA and CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. Otherwise, in Cisco also there are many kind of the security courses like CCNA security, CCNP security, and CCI security. Before this three tag, you must have the knowledge of CCNA. So these are some courses, all are like ECSA, like LPT, license, penetration testing, tester, also you can say computer forensic, computer investigation. So these are some famous courses of the AC Council. After that, you can plan for the job in India as well as the abroad. So this is the small thing, this is the small introduction about the cyber security career. Otherwise, you can plan for the Java security, Android security, encryption specialist, and there are many kind of the designation. So this is the small thing about the cyber security again. Thank you and all the best for your career.